On the west coast of Sweden, there's a small little river that truly stands out in a year of decreasing salmon runs all over Scandinavia. This little river truly goes against the current, Örekilsälven, and by the end of this video, you will understand why. We will share how to fish this unique river on one-hand rods for large and medium-sized salmon. Click on the link below to see why this river's catches is trending against other rivers. If you plan for a visit and need lodging, we will cover that too.